What's up, guys? It is hot and it is cooking right in the Philippines right now. It's a sunny day. Guys, where are we at now? I'm at a place that is very famous, probably world famous here in Angeles City. This place was visited by the Roadrunner. Who's the Roadrunner? I'll get into that here in a little bit. But this place became very famous because of the Roadrunner. Where are we at? Luzon, the Sea Seek Queen. I'm gonna come up here, give me a shot of this Sisig, show you what Sisig is. But here it is. Luzon, the Sea Seek Queen, established in 1974. Yes, the Roadrunner made this place famous. All right, we are now in Luzon's Sea Seek restaurant, I guess you could say. And here she is. That's the original owner. And guess who we're here with? That's the grandson. You remember your grandmother?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long ago had she passed? How many years now?
That was 2012, 11 years.
11 years, yeah. She's probably a wonderful grandmother. All grandmothers are wonderful, right? Now you're the man in charge now. You're the only grandson.
No, we're many, but my mom and I manage the branch.
Your mom and you manage this branch. You guys have multiple branches, right?
Yep.
You have other branches.
Clark. And Santo Ichero.
But this is the original. This is where it all started. Do you remember what was in the original Sisig? You know what was in it? What was it made of?
Pork face.
Pork face.
Chicken liver. Vinegar. And seasoning. Secret seasoning we put in.
Is there any truth to the rumor that pig brain was used?
No.
No. There's no. That's a rumor.
Yeah.
No pig brain. All right.
Only chicken liver.
I've always heard that rumor. But yeah, check it out. This is an old photo here of it's really faded. 1970. Was that your grandmother right there?
Yeah.
That was her right there. But wow, this is old and faded from 1970.
That's the Sea Seek Festival.
That's a Sea Seek Festival that they hold here, right?
Yeah.
Did they used to hold it down the road?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do they do that anymore?
Once a year, I think.
Once a year they still do it. After pandemic they still do it. All right. And you can order other stuff too. You can order barbecue chicken, probably fish and tofu. But the specialty is the Sisig. And here's the staff right here, hard at it. This is Sisig right here, huh? All ready to go? All right. Staff is back here, real friendly, nice staff, nice kitchen. Is this the original kitchen? This is the original kitchen and everything. Was there a dining room, or just you order and buy right here?
Yeah.
Right here. Here's where you would order and buy right here. There was no dining room here at the time. So, but yeah, check it out. Very busy, very popular. Like I said, right here, you can get some barbecue if you want, but you don't come here for barbecue, do you? What do you come here for? The Sisig, right? China. The Sisig's a special. That's what you come here for, the Sisig, right? Right. Wow, that's really popular.
Yeah, this is the best Sisig
in the world. In the world. In the world, because it was originated here.
Yes.
So it's the oldest, and I say the best. Others will disagree. But anyways, this was the kitchen. There was no dining area back then. You came up, you ordered it, boom, they got it. And they would get a lot of the pig head, the pig face from Clark, right? From the air base? Yeah, a lot of it came from the air base. And then she created it and she made it. So anyways, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna order something here and eat. The Roadrunner, guys. Who's the Roadrunner? Who is the Roadrunner? Who made this world famous? And I mean world famous. I never heard of it. Many people around the world has never heard of this until this man right here. Anthony Bourdain. Parts Unknown. The Roadrunner. I just seen a documentary on Netflix about it. very interesting. Check it out. Another famous person that was here over the past couple years was the president himself, Mr. Rodrigo Duterte was here. This is famous. A lot of people do come to this place because it is famous. But here is the dining area here. Here's your staff. There they are. Like I said, this was not here. This was an add-on from when they first opened up. This is an add-on to allow people to... She's shy. China. Hello, hello. What's your name? Heart. Heart? Like heart, really? Wow. All right. What's your name?
Adrian.
Adrian. Oh, okay. All right. Let me order. Then I'm going to show you around inside the little dining area because there are some old-looking photos. So like I said, they do have a menu here with other stuff. I'm just going to quick show it to you. I don't want to bore you with a real long video of a menu, but they do have your. Here is your menu. Pause it if you want. Freeze it. Bring it in. But $2.50. I ordered just the Sizzling Sea Seek. I like mine crispy. I don't like it rubbery. So you're looking at $5, but you see their little menu here. You know, they have pork, they have soups, and of course it does come with some rice. And then here's the other back of the menu. I don't know why that's crooked. But anyways, let me show you around here. I think they have 2 seating areas now. The one seating area was not open when I was here, and it's been a couple years ago. But you can see they have a lot of photos here. There's the mayor of Angulay City, Mr. Carmelo Pogi. Just some old photos. You can see that these are old up here. These are old here. Clippings from newspapers. That's so old you can barely even see it. Once again, the Roadrunner, Anthony Bourdain. I do know they do have a giant seasick festival here. I've been there. I filmed it. You know what. And then here on the back they have Luzon Sisig in the back here. But this is their dining area here. More photos here. They seem to be more recent, more current, more colorful. And like I said, here's another dining area they've added on out here. Show you out here real quick. And always photos. Giant Seasick Festival. It's hot in here. No air conditioning in here. Got a couple fans blowing. Oh, thank you. They give me some water and some ice. I'm dying of thirst. Hydrate. Like I said, the Roadrunner. Let me explain the Roadrunner. Documentary, it was just on Netflix that I watched called The Roadrunner. It was about Anthony Bourdain. You know what a fitting name for the man. He was on the road. He was a road runner. You know, he was a travel vlogger, a food travel vlogger if you think about it, but on a bigger scale. After watching the video, you know what, I always thought those people that take themselves out in life, it's like, you know what, why would you do that? Why would you hurt your family? Why would you hurt your loved ones? But you know what, we don't know what goes through people's minds. We only see them as a star on TV, like a Robin Williams, Anthony Bourdain. We don't know anything about their personal life. And this movie, The Roadrunner, with Anthony Bourdain, kind of brought light to my eyes, because even I thought, why would you do something like that? You know, you're well known, you got money, you know, it appears that your life is going well, but we don't know. Money can't buy happiness, we all know that. But after watching that documentary, The Roadrunner, check it out on Netflix. You know, I guess you could say he had a life that most people couldn't understand. But yeah, and other people that take themselves out, like who was it, Harvey Weinstein or Epstein or whatever, one of that freak, you know, good, take yourself out, you don't deserve to live on this earth. But yeah, I figured after watching that documentary, I said, let me come back up here, let me get some of this Sizzling Sea Seek. Nobody would ever have heard of it. I would have never heard of this unless it would have been from Anthony Bourdain, Parts Unknown. He traveled the world to Parts Unknown. He brought places around the world to your TV screen and my TV screen before YouTube, before all the other stuff. He brought that to the world. So I am waiting for my hot sizzling sea seek, and I am going to dig in. All right, it has arrived. Check it out. Check this out. Sizzling Sea Seek. You can see all the bubbles bubbling. That's a cast iron plate there. That thing is smoking hot. Got yourself a piece of calamansi. Got a red pepper there. But that's what I'm here for. Just the sisig out of smell. There, I mean, how can I describe the smell? There is no way to describe the smell. There is no smell-o-vision. So I'm gonna dig in and I'm enjoying this sisig. You can see the place is getting full, starting to fill up. I don't know what time it is, maybe around 1 o'clock, something like that, give or take. So time for me to dig in. I need a burp. Man, that was good. That was delicious. I guess it's like Gino's and Pat's, right? Gino's Steakhouse or Pat's Steakhouse, which do you prefer? But this is where it originated from there. Right here. Angeles City, Pampanga specialty. Yes, you can find it pretty much all over the city. Different restaurants and everything like that. I like it up here. Other people like other things on their sisig. Some people like eggs on their sisig and many other things. But me, man, fry that up, throw it in a skillet. Don't add anything to it. I love it. I clean this plate. To me, it's like an afternoon snack. It's not a ton of food, but it makes my belly feel comfortable. I don't do the rice, can't do the rice, straight sisig. You see it, my plate is empty. And you see that like shiny stuff on it? That's all that grease from that pork. I know, somebody's gonna yell and say, hey, it's not good for you. But you know what, once in a great while, it's good, it's good. It's funny, you do hear people talking, but you hear more of the plates clattering, spoons clattering, people are digging in, they're eating. I don't know what time, I don't know if they're 24/7. I'll have to ask the girl before I leave, but oh, hit the spot, hit the spot. I was asking him how much they sell in one day. 150 what? How much? How much? Like, how many of those do you go through in one day? 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. 150 pieces. That's what you sell in one day. All right. Wow, it's a lot. Are you guys open 24 hours, 7 days a week? Or do you have times that you're open?
9 to 10.
9 to 10, so you're not open all night. All right, good deal. What's this, butter? That's butter you put on the skillet, and then, yeah. All right, man, look at the juices on that. That's some good shit right there, huh? Good stuff. All right, remember I was telling you earlier about the ordering window. Before they had the dining seating area and everything like that, you would come up here and just order right at the window. And that window was right here. Right here. That's where we order your sisig right there. What's up? What's he after? You order right here Aling Lusing. Was that the original sign? That's the original sign? Aling Lusing?
Any, what's up?
Huh? Here's how check that out. Whoa! Sisig goes in there. That's authentic right there. Throw the pepper in. Man, that's good. Is it, I don't know if they know. Is this the original sign? Aling Lusing right here. They don't, nobody knows the English. No habla English. Alright. It kind of looks like it right here. Right? Oh boy. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I gotta get home. It's a warm day. It's a warm day, and I'm not gonna wait as long as I waited in the past to get up here and have some of this. Boy, is it good. If you're ever coming through Angeles City, get up here to the original Aling Lusing. Very good. You get to experience the whole thing. The hot, the heat, the people, the sweatiness, the deliciousness of the food here. Like I said, it's a Pampanga original, and highly recommend it. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Oh no, he's gonna clickety clack us out of the video.